Hey gardeners! Today we are talking about the plant behind me, the yellow senna, also known as butterfly bush. If you haven't met yet, I'm Stefan, the guy with a weird German accent. While many know it as Cassia corymbosa, its accurate scientific name is now Senna corymbosa. The plant was reclassified from the Cassia genus to the Senna genus. This beautiful plant is not only a sight to behold, but also comes with many benefits and intriguing facts. Native to South America, this plant has made its mark in various parts of the world, including the arid landscapes of Arizona. You can grow it in zones 9 to 11. It's perfect for warmer climates. It can tolerate temperatures as low as 20 degrees Fahrenheit, what's equal to -6 degrees Celsius. You should protect it during frosty nights because it's not frost tolerant. It's a very fast-growing tree or bush, depending on how you prune it. It requires full sun to partial shade, moderate water requirements, but it becomes drought-tolerant once established. It prefers well-draining soil, so for fertilization, you should use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer. By the way, this one here was a stick in April as I planted it. Now it's September. One of the fascinating behaviors of the yellow senna is how it closes its leaves overnight. This is a defense mechanism against herbivores and also helps in conserving moisture. Expect a burst of yellow blooms during late spring to early fall. These flowers attract pollinators. Beyond its captivating beauty, yellow senna belongs to the cassia family, known for medicinal traits. While various cassia plants have benefits like aiding digestion and reducing inflammation, it's vital to note that each species varies. For our yellow senna, its medicinal benefits aren't fully documented, so always consult a healthcare expert before medicinal use. With its vibrant blooms, the yellow senna is a botanical gem. It promises beauty, benefits, and a touch of the wild. If you haven't done yet, please hit the subscribe button and tick the bell so you do not miss any new content.